Hello my friends, are you bored? Then come and join to the online Teacher Tonches class. Today we're going to have a lot of fun, don't miss it. Okay, today's class is about the past continuous. Maybe you have heard about this one. This tense works to tell things that were happening in a certain period of time in the past and they became interrupted by some other action. Okay, if you don't understand, take it easy. We're going to have some more examples. Okay, my friends, let's continue with the explanation about past continuous. I have here some examples in order to see if you have heard about these things before. My example number one, I was eating popcorn. My second example, I wasn't playing in class. And my third example, were you repairing the car? If you pay attention to this, they have something in common. This is the verb to be in past, well conjugated in past. Was, wasn't because it's negative, and where. Little by little, I'm going to explain each of the three cases we have over here. So wait a little. Okay, now I have here my first case, which is the affirmative one, and which structure is the following. Subject plus verb to be in past, which is was or were. Okay, remember was and were. Okay. Then my verb in gerund or ing. Okay. And finally my complement, which is not always necessary. Okay. So I'm going to show you some examples. I was watching a video. You were talking on the phone. She was fixing the engine. If you pay attention, all my three sentences over here have the subject. Then they have the verb to be, okay, in past, as I told you before. Then I have my verb in ing. And then at the end, of course, I have my complement. And as I told you before, not all the time is necessary. In this case, I made it in order to complete sentences, okay? So now I'm going to explain the next case. Wait a little. Okay, second case, negative sentences. My structure is as it follows. Subject plus wasn't or weren't, which is verb to be in past and in negative, of course. My verb in ing, and my complement. Examples. Karen wasn't feeding the cat. Carlos and I weren't singing too loud. And I wasn't sleeping in the car. Okay? Very important, my friends. Remember that we have to turn the verb to be into negative. So we're going to write wasn't and weren't. Don't forget it, it is very important, okay? So we're missing just one more case, so wait a little, I'm going to explain in a while. Okay, in the third case, which is question, we have to turn a little the structure and tell it as it follows. Was or were, depending on the pronouns, my subject, my verb in ing, and my complement. Examples. Was Jill looking for Chris? Were you telling spooky tales? Okay, we have now the questions, but how we are going to answer this? Remember, we have two ways of answering, well, the most commons, which are short answers and complete answers. We're going to check how we do this with short answers, okay? Okay. When we have questions, we also have to know how to answer. And as I told you before, we're going to see the way to make it short in short answers, okay? My first example says, was Jill looking for Chris? Well, we have two answers. The first one, that is of course affirmative, and we say, yes, she was. We say she was because remember, we're talking about Jill. The second way of answering, well, I mean the second answer, the negative answer is no, she wasn't. Okay, this is short. Second question, were they telling spooky tales? Affirmative. Yes, they were. Negative. No, they weren't. Okay. We also have the complete answers, but it is when we have a lot of information and we're going to give full information in order to be more specific. In this case, we don't need it too much, okay? We just need yes or no plus the corresponding verb to be conjugation, okay? But if you have any question, let me know and I'll try to solve all your questions as soon as possible. Thank you, my friends, okay? Okay, my friends, that it's been all for today. Don't remember to subscribe, give a like, and click on the little bell in order to have notifications. See you till the next time, my friend.